Nvidia unveils Blackwell. We get the GB200 chip, also the accompanying software. Jensen Huang says it's a platform. It's not just a chip. He's trying to make that clear. Huge performance upgrade now, and I had to Google what a petaflop was, but 20 petaflops compared to the 4 petaflops from its successor, Hopper. I don't think you had to Google it, but the rest of us did. Put it all in perspective. What does all this mean with the petaflops and everything else, and why is Nvidia's stock down?
One of the main things that we've been thinking at WisdomTree is you're seeing all the biggest companies in the world spending on the order of tens of billions in capital improvements and further developments to build out this massive computational infrastructure. And when they do all that spending, that tens of billions, a lot of it goes toward Nvidia. And we've seen the chart of the stock, incredible returns in the past years. But the critical question, and what I was most interested in during the keynote, was you started to get a perception, for instance, of what the metaverse could be used for, how that could connect across multiple industries, how you can use all this computational power to do more. Last year, it seemed like it was about figuring out a way to pass the GMAT and the LSAT and the bar exam, which are all nifty achievements. But to see it working in industries, improving factories, connecting over to robotics and healthcare, this is where I think we need to go to make the returns that these companies need to see to spend tens of billions.
So, Chris, I'm going to tell you something right now. If this is the thing that makes the metaverse make sense, I mean, I think a lot of people's minds are going to be pretty blown. I want to get into some of the announcements, some of the stocks that benefited from what Jensen Huang was talking about. He mentioned the big 3 cloud providers, Microsoft, Alphabet, and Amazon, are going to offer access to Blackwell through their cloud services. So those 3 are obviously also part of the Magnificent 7. Does this cement the idea that you want to be in these Magnificent 7 names for this AI trade? Does it create a new leg of this AI trade in your mind? I mean, what happens with these companies having such immediate access? We're showing some of the other companies, IBM and Oracle as well, but specifically these 3 names.
It's notable that these companies really offer a menu to their client base to basically allow them to use. I mean, some of these companies like Amazon and what have you, they also offer access to quantum computing, at least the development of where it is today. I was personally more interested to hear the announcements of Cadence and Synopsys, sort of that next level down where you see those partnerships that NVIDIA is making with companies that are maybe not the most well-known companies in the entire world with the biggest client bases to ultimately see further benefits across this AI trend.